Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Entrepreneur. Welcome to my media channel. And today we have a little unboxing slash review of My Love Story from Sentai Filmworks. Now, Sentai Filmworks occasionally does these limited edition DVDs and Blu-ray sets. And I've always got mixed feelings about them. They're very, very nice to look at, and they have everything a fan of the show would want. They're usually pretty pricey also because of how much care is put into these sets. And then there's always little things about them that are always perplexing me. So today we're going to be doing My Love Story. Now, this is about a giant high school kid who looks like the Frankenstein monster, to be perfectly frank. He's big and he's bulky, but he's really got a heart of gold. And he also doesn't consider himself to be that attractive, and most girls are interested in his best friend who is good looking. Well, he saves a girl his age, and she's a lot shorter than him because she's like a short girl, but he saves her and she actually falls in love with him, and they begin this cute little relationship. It's not a very long show. I think it's about 13 episodes or something like that, but it's extremely adorable. And I streamed it on Crunchyroll, and I wasn't gonna buy the DVD and Blu-ray because this is such a niche show that Sentai Filmworks basically did one set. They do have a separate Blu-ray and DVD, which is like $60, but this limited edition set normally retails for $200. But thanks to a Black Friday sale from my buddies at Right Stuff, I got it for $26, and so we are going to open it and look at it. So before we open it, let's look at the artwork. It's unfortunately the reflection is kind of there, but I like how they have gold rims. It says limited edition everywhere on this thing. You got the two looking at each other. It's really cute. Memorable scene from the show. You can see that from the top, and then you've got information on the bottom. It's a TV PG rated show, so it's safe for most viewers. Now let's open. Oh, here's the thing. Here you have the Blu-ray combo and the DVD combo. You have a episode and character booklet, and then you have a space for little trinkets, and that's where Sentai Filmworks can kind of like bug me a little in terms of these boxes. So you have this big box for basically one season of the show. So here's the Blu-ray of it, and as you can see, okay, so there's 24 episodes. I was wrong. There's 24 episodes, 3 discs, and there's even a few special features. And we've got the discs here. Ooh, oops, one of them just fell. Want to be careful on that one. So no, that should be secure. So you have that, and we have the main character in the background. I don't know if you can see that or not, but so that's the Blu-ray. Interestingly, that's the only part of the show I'd like to have personally, but they do have a DVD copy of it says 24 episodes, but on 5 discs. So 5 discs for this. And in this one, there's the girl in the background, and there's some nice artwork here. I'm not going to say that there's not nice artwork. It's just this as a product doesn't do much for me now that I have that. But here's the thing. It also has this little it's kind of cute. They made it look like a diary, but it's really just it's the episode guide and character images and things like that. This is pretty cool, and that fits in there. Then we get over to the bonus collection. Like, these are extras, and we're gonna look at these right now. So, let's see what they have. So we have a few things. First, we have a I don't know what this is. Like, what is this? Let's take it out and see what this is. Does this do anything? I think it's just a pastry toy. It doesn't seem to actually, well, it feels like it wants to move, but it doesn't. I'm actually having a hard time. Oh, so it opens. It opens. I don't know what that's supposed to be for, though. So we do have a fold-out poster, which, I understand the logistics of why they have to do posters like this. I don't like when they do fold-up posters because, in my opinion, once you fold the poster, it's pretty much ruined at that point. I'm not going to bother putting it on the wall. We do have some pins. These are kind of nice. We have pins for the characters, best friends, love, and that's kind of neat. We have a very special love confession. I don't know what this is either. I guess we should open it and see what this is. This is oh, these are Valentines. These are Valentines with the characters. So yeah, if you're a teenager or a junior high student and you spent $200 on this anime DVD and happen to have a girl you have a crush on who also really likes anime, you can give her some limited edition Valentine's Day cards. We have a keychain for the two. It's kind of a nice keychain, actually. And then I am going to assume these are posters. I'm going to assume these are not posters. These are postcards. I'm sorry, take that back. These are probably postcards from the show. Actually, they're just little artwork cards. So, yeah, okay, those are kind of nice. Here's the issue that I have with things like this. I like that all these little things are there. I'm not really going to use them, to be honest. But hey, I'm kind of glad they're there. But here's the thing: the only way these things really have any value is if you keep them in mint condition. So I'm going to be leaving them in this box. Oops, I dropped this little, just tell me what this is. 4 art cards, 5 Valentines, 4 buttons, a poster, a macaroon. I guess that's all it is, just a macaroon. But now here's the issue. You see, I'm gonna put this back in here, and I'm gonna put the art book back here. Then we're gonna put the DVD and the Blu-ray. All I need is this, really. And look at how much space this is gonna take on the shelf. All for like something that takes up just this amount. And if you actually took the extras out and you wanted to use them, then that creates like this big gape in there. So here's the thing. It is a very nice set from Sentai Filmworks. I love this box. I love everything about it. And this is a cute show. It's just, this seems like overkill. I don't know why they couldn't have just like made like a box for these 3 things, and then this could have been extra so that if you wanted to use this stuff, you wouldn't have to keep the box. But that's that for you. So anyway, that's where we're going to end this video. I'm curious, do you have this show? Which edition do you have? Do you have the limited edition, or did you buy one of the additional editions? Do you think this is worth the price of admission? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.